Hello everyone, Kay here on my homestead in Tennessee. Well, this is the continuation of yesterday's video, cutting down cover crops. Today I am fortunate to have my neighbor coming with his tractor and tiller, and he is going to till the lower garden, what he can access anyway. It's actually grown in 3 days, so that it almost looks like he didn't cut it. When he gets done, I need to get the electric fence up. I've got to train the deer. I did that with pretty good success last year. The year before, they just jumped right through and over, and it's crazy. I mean, small deer will go between 2 wires. They'll go in sideways. People have told me they've seen this, how the 2 wires are like this, and they go right in between sideways. So if you've got something that the deer want to eat in your garden, they're going to find a way, and it's challenging. So I put stakes where I have perennials that I didn't want him to cut. They were coming back, and they look just like everything else, so he wouldn't know. But I have the rare Sheffield mum growing behind me. I have coneflower, anise hyssop. There's a pepper over there. Peppers are annuals. I really doubt if it'll come back, but it's orange Thai. I have a couple of great orange Thai pepper videos. I'll put the link up there. I grew orange Thai pepper, and they were like this tall. They took, in California, they took all season to get, I think they started setting fruit in October. And so I haven't been successful growing it here, but it's one of my favorite. It's super hot, but nothing like ghost pepper or anything like that, but it's quite hot. It's hotter than a cayenne. I just realized I have a button. It's kind of chilly today. I'm having a hard time getting my words out. So anyway, we're just waiting for Ed to arrive, and I'm going to show you a couple of things. There was one thing I spotted before Corey got down here with the mower, and I said, I have to mark that, and I didn't, and it got mowed. But it's still alive, and that is artichoke. Now, I grew two rows of artichokes last year on the far end of the arched trellis. I thought it would be so pretty, this artichoke. It was actually a Baker Creek, and I saved seeds. And I used the last of my seeds last year. And I thought, I've got to get this through development, but I started them late. They didn't take off. And at the end of the season, I had about 2 plants about that tall. And so I covered the bases with a big pile of hay, and hoping that, it's a perennial, it might survive. Of course, in California, where it never freezes, they just cut it back and it just comes back. I had a neighbor who grew a whole thing of these big artichokes all around his 2 sides of his property. And he would just cut it back to about there, down from here down to there, and they'd come back. But, I don't know if that's going to be possible in Zone 7. This is the Sheffield mum. That came back. That looks fabulous. Let's get this grass out of here. And I see it's jumping back here. It's a little piece coming back there, so it may continue to spread. I'm not sure how it spreads. This is the phacelia, which is the cover crop. That's going to bloom and set seeds, and I'm just going to let it do its thing right here because it's so beautiful in the spring. This is the anise hyssop. That died all the way back, and that has come all the way back. Today is April 20th, and it looks fabulous. This is the phacelia, and this is the coneflower. Okay, this is the artichoke, what's left of it. had about 6 on each side here, and they really struggled. We had a lot of hot spells, didn't get enough water down here. it's already drying out. Hey, we're right back where we started. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. I think it only took an hour to do that whole lower garden. We'll use the big push tiller to do all the nooks and crannies and finish it up. Now I have to work on that electric wire. That's the big job ahead. But we take it one step at a time and we do what we can, right? Thank you so much. If you're new here, please subscribe. Click the bell for notifications. Click all so you won't miss an episode. Also, check out my playlist. I have done so many. Tomorrow's my big anniversary, and I've made 1,400 videos on all kinds of things. Lots of interviews with other gardeners, travel. You know, some of our favorite YouTubers I've been to visit, like Tony at Simplified Gardening, OAG in Alabama. God rest his soul. And so many more. So be sure and check out all my playlists and share this channel with a friend, help it grow. Tomorrow's my big anniversary. God bless you. See you in the next video.